A wise person knows that there is something to be learned from everyone. Hi everybody, how are you? Today I am going to help you to divide integers. Here you should remember a box, just like it did in multiplication of integers. This is the box. Familiar, no? Positive divided by positive is equals to positive integer. Negative integer divided by negative integer would be positive integer. Positive integer divided by negative integer equals to negative integer. And negative integer divided by positive integer also equals to negative integer. Let's do these 4 questions. First one, 100 divided by 5. Positive divided by positive is, it is positive. 100 divided by 5, 100 upon 5 is equals to, we can find here its simplest form or reduced form. 100 equals to, we can represent 10 tens divided by 5. Again equals to 10 equals to 2 into 5 into second 10 also equals to 2 into 5, all divided by 5. Cancel common factors from the numerator and the denominator. 5 by 5 is equals to 1 by 1. So left over there 2 into 1 is 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 fives are, yes, it is equals to 20. So 100 divided by 5 is equals to positive 20. The next one, second question, negative 100 divided by negative 5. Negative divided by negative is be positive. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So answer becomes positive 20. Then third question's answer, positive 100 divided by negative 5. Positive divided by negative is equals to negative. 100 divided by 5, 20. Then fourth question, negative 100 divided by positive 5. Negative divided by positive is equals to negative. 100 divided by 5, okay, it is also equals to 20. So final answer becomes negative 20. These 4 cases only you have to study here. Let's familiarize 2 interesting facts from the division of integers. First fact, 0 divided by an integer would be 0 and integer divided by 0 is not defined. Clear now? Here 0 divided by 1, an integer, is equals to 0. Here 1, an integer divided by 0 is not defined. With the help of these two, can you give me answer of this question? 0 divided by 100. 0 divided by 100. Yes, answer 0. Then what about 100 divided by 0? Yes, answer not defined. 79 upon 0. 79 divided by 0 equals to, how much is your answer? Yes, it is also equals to not defined. Then 0 divided by 79. Yes, answer 0. Then what about 0 divided by negative 79? Yes, 0 divided by an integer also becomes 0. What about negative 5 divided by 0? Negative 5, an integer divided by 0. Yes, this is also equals to not defined. Let's do some more questions. First one, negative 625 divided by 5. Second one, 625 divided by negative 25. Okay, we can find first question's answer. Now, negative divided by positive, right? Yes, it is negative. Then 625 divided by 5. 625 upon 5 is equals to, 625 is equals to 25 into 25, all divided by 5. 25 again we can split 25 is equals to 5. 5 5s are 25 into next 25 also equals 5 5s are 25, all divided by 5. Now we can cancel common factors from the numerator and the denominator. 5 5 we can cancel. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1 by 1. Left over here 1 into 5 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is equals to yes 125. So negative 625 divided by 5 is equals to negative 125. Clear now? Then second question, 625 divided by negative 25. Positive divided by negative, yes, it is equals to yes, negative 625 divided by 25. 625 divided by 25. 625 is equals to, familiar no? 25 25s are equals to 625 divided by 25. Common factors from numerator and the denominator. 25 25. 25 by 25 is 1 by 1. Left over here only 1 into 25 is 25. So final answer becomes negative 25. Clear no?